Welcome to SMF Street. It's 9:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You're going to find out that there is this large cap bear. And these are things that can be bought and held in your portfolio so that you have a little bit of mix now for the downside of markets as you experienced yesterday. And we said that the summer rally is over. And what we meant by that statement is one thing: the sustainability of the summer rally is not there. The sustainability. Okay, so it's important for you to understand and know the difference between when a index or an equity is making a price move. That's one issue. The second issue, which is the most important issue, is the sustainability of that move. And basically, this is a weekly chart here, and it's the large cap bear. It's an ETF. What happens with people, well, what our people do at SMF Street, we have traders, we have trader investors. We have a very good mix of people, whether it's our international traders, which if you are outside of the U.S., go to our international page on stockmarketfunding.com and sign up. We will place you as an SMF Street trader, and you'll go through our training and whatnot. However, let's take a look at why the large cap bear is worth looking at. And, it's nice to, if you've had great gains in your portfolio and you didn't want to sell and go to cash, fine. You got to look elsewhere when things weaken up, that you can put that in your portfolio, where that when you're losing money on the stuff you're holding and it's coming down, that you're gaining another value. You have another asset that covers and puts you in participating in various different sectors now of bear ETFs. When they need to be used, they're here to be used. And we will teach you how to do that at SMF Street. So right now, what I have here is I've got a trend on this weekly chart that is trying to put in its bottom. And here is that last low right here. This is where we made that double week high. Okay, when I go back over here, it's also where we had that shorter term 3-week high breakout to here. So what I want people to know is that the trend itself will be broke. And notice that the highs, that shoulder, that little wick right there, but it comes right down there. So let's blow this up so that our SMF trading staff can see why, the people that are in the school now. So pay attention here for the ones that are in the school here, is that you want to know how you're getting some momentum on this weekly chart. And one of the clues here is that this blue bar is going to the right side. It's ascending in its value, because when the value goes that way, that's going to support a lot of support here, meaning that this move is gaining strength, momentum per se. And when this large cap bear fund gets above that 10-week moving average, and we close above that red line, that 20-week moving average, and we close up above there now, that means that this is setting out to go back up here. It's got a journey. And we would look at, when that time comes, for our SMF Street traders and, school traders and whatnot that we have here, is that we want you to know that the highs right here, there's the high up there, but here's the body of the move, is that we would be, in a journey going back up there, and that would make this a very nice purchase to have at the right time. We've already added some bear funds prior to yesterday's big downside move. So it's very important to understand where the changes are going to be made from the bull to the bear. or from bear into bull. Right now, I can see that this thing is trying to really build some momentum here on this large cap bear.